I'm going to show you how you can download and play the new Elden Ring in just a few steps. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So all you need to do is go to Steam first, then go to the search text field, search for Elden Ring. You should find it right here. This is the new updated game. So if you scroll down, you can see you can buy two different editions. So I'm gonna go for the cheaper one, add it to your cart. Now view my card and continue to payment. Now you can select different payment methods. In my case, I'm gonna pay with my credit card. So mark this checkbox and click on purchase. After this, you will have your content ready. You just need to click the install content button. Now select the drive where you want to install this game. In my case, it's this one. Click install, accept the terms, and now the download will begin. So depending on your internet speed, this will only take a few minutes, and after that you can just begin playing the game. You will find it on your Steam library right here, and you can just click the game and you will see the play button right here. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.